Next box. Restart?
Yep.
Okay, what's this one? This one here is... Let's see, where's this from? Iowa.
Hawkeyes. Or Cyclone.
It's got a hawker in it.
Oh, your favorite box. Look at that.
More new one.
We're going to use that one.
Use this too.
Chain guard. I know that one.
Probably the only thing in the box.
Oh!
Oh, two primary.
Primary.
Panhead horse. So this is the FX primary. Primary. Chain guard.
FX.
So this is not the FL, it had the big full one on it. This is the naked bike one. And this is not the one I thought it was going to be. This bracket should be stamping, not a piece of straight metal. Just like this stamped out.
Yeah.
That's how this bracket should be too on an earlier one. So this is a later system. It's a stock one though, but it's later because the aftermarket doesn't make them this way. See how it's got a stop right here too, so you can only go so far. Built-in stop type stuff. You know, aftermarket does not do stuff like this.
Right.
So looks good. Look good on my ugly bike. We back. All right, we're back. So this was the FX stock 70s FX chain guard, which is I like better than the crappy big FL full cover ones. I don't like those. This looks more like a real chain guard, like these in a rigid frame. So that's why I buy this one. I thought this one was going to have the early bracket. It was made of that shape there, but this has a late bracket. But it still is a genuine part. I'll probably go in there, crush the rivet, and tighten that back up to loose. Takes a rubber bolt here, which I probably have. You can see how the chain was eating on a little bit. I'm sure they never heard that.
Right.
But other than that, it looks pretty good. So it's not all bent up or screwed up. So put that on my ugly bike, or on one of my 57 pan or something. That won't work on a 57. Rigid frame. This is a panhead cover, stock one. It has the Zerk fit in here for the compensator. That's what that holds for.
Hey, what's this hole for?
That's called extra customization, done by the previous owner.
Right.
They also had Mr. Fall Down too over here. So I always look right here. If it's not a big flat spot here, it's probably a decent cover. It looks like it's got a little bend right here going up a little bit, but not too bad. So it's a genuine cover, so you know it's decent shape. It's definitely all buggered up pretty good, but if you're not doing a cons cores restoration, you buy parts like this. And even that's supposed to be dimpled there. The chain hit that too. That's been beat down also for some reason. You can tell the original by how they're made. See, it's got a doubler piece in here. Not just flat stamp. That's a separate piece from here.
Right.
So you got thicker screw area, so the screws don't strip out like a Palco would. So they're just better quality. But, if you're going to run a footboard, you got to have a nice deep cut in that, bend in that. The Palcos just come straight across. I think they're making one now that has one too, maybe, I don't remember. But the Harley one definitely has a big dimple that's made correctly. It's going to need a little bit of a cosmetic repair up in that, but and this just takes one of those chrome bud plugs that goes in there, cover that up. So I forget what year they did that. It was either 58 or 9 they put this piece in there. I think it's 58, swing arm bike. The 57, like my drag bike, this hole's not here. So originally I bought one like this to put on that bike, so I had my friend weld the hole up, and since then I bought like 5 more that are correct ones, so I just use one of those. I got a collection of these going. So when these become like knucklehead parts and they're worth $1,000 a cover, I'll be going good.
Oh yeah.
Because even a piece of junk like this would be worth $500, right?
Yeah.
Be you keep Harley parts long enough, they become valuable. But for now, it's just a beater cover. If I want to put on something for a mock-up bike or whatever, it's perfect for that. So, there you go. That's gonna go
Next
back in
box.
the box. That goes back in the box. It goes right to the mountains. I don't need none of this shit here in town. Close the lid and save the battery. Lights on.